Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create eye-catching graphics or add some creative flair to your designs, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through how to crop images into custom shapes using Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put any photo into a circle, a star, or just about any shape you want, all without leaving Figma. It's easier than you might think, and seriously, once you know this little trick, you'll use it all the time. Alright, let's jump right in with the image you want to crop. I've already got my image laid out on the canvas here, and you can use any photo you like, a portrait, a product shot, maybe even a logo you want to stylize. The important thing is to have it ready to go in your Figma document. Now, to crop your image into a shape, we need, well, a shape. At the bottom center of the Figma interface, you'll find your basic shape tools. You'll see the rectangle, the line, circle, and so on. For this example, I'm going to use a circle. Technically in Figma, it's called the ellipse tool, but don't worry, it works for perfect circles or ovals. Just click on the ellipse icon, or you can press the O key as a shortcut. Then, click and drag on your canvas right over the area of your image where you want the crop to happen. You can adjust the size afterwards, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. If you want a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key as you drag, kind of like when you're making a cookie cutter, just the right size for your dough. Once you've got your circle or shape the way you want it, it might be covering your image. That's totally normal. The next step is to change the stacking order. Right-click on your circle and select Send to Back. This makes sure the image is now layered on top of your shape, which is exactly what we need for the mask to work properly. Now, to actually use your shape as a mask, the goal is to select both the image and the shape at the same time. The easiest method here is to hold Shift, then click on both layers in the Layers panel, or if you're a more visual person, you can just click and drag a selection box to grab them both right on the canvas. Once both layers are highlighted, just right-click and choose Use as Mask. And that's it. You should now see your image neatly cropped inside your shape, whether it's a circle, an oval, or any other design you want to try. If things don't look quite right on your first attempt, maybe the image needs to be repositioned, or the mask isn't lining up the way you wanted, don't stress. Just double-click inside the mask group to adjust the shape or move the image around until you're happy with the result. It might take a couple of tweaks, but that's all part of working creatively in Figma. And that's all there is to it. Now you've got a powerful technique for cropping images into any shape you like right in Figma. This is perfect for web icons, profile pictures, banners, you name it. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions or want to see more Figma tricks, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.